I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make juicy tacos. First, select ground beef with an 80% lean to 20% fat ratio. This ensures maximum flavor and juiciness. Brown the meat in a large skillet over medium-high heat until it's fully cooked, breaking it apart as it cooks. Once browned, drain any excess fat to prevent your tacos from becoming too greasy. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of your favorite taco seasoning and 1/4 cup of water, simmering until the liquid reduces. Next, let's prepare your tortillas and toppings. For the best experience, warm your corn or flour tortillas in a dry skillet for about 15 to 20 seconds per side until they are soft and pliable. This makes them easier to fold and enhances their flavor. While the meat simmers, chop your fresh toppings. Think crisp shredded lettuce, juicy diced tomatoes, and a generous amount of shredded cheddar cheese. Don't forget a dollop of sour cream and a vibrant homemade salsa or guacamole for that extra zing. Now for the fun part, assembling your juicy tacos. Take a warm tortilla and spoon in about 2 to 3 ounces of your perfectly seasoned ground beef. Don't overfill, as you want to be able to fold it easily. Next, pile on your fresh toppings. Start with a bed of shredded lettuce, then add your diced tomatoes and a generous sprinkle of shredded cheese. Finish with a dollop of cool sour cream and a spoonful of your favorite salsa to ensure every bite is bursting with flavor and moisture. Your delicious, juicy tacos are ready to be served. Present them immediately while the meat is warm and the tortillas are still soft. Arrange them on a platter with extra toppings on the side, allowing everyone to customize their tacos to perfection. Consider offering a selection of hot sauces, from mild to fiery, to cater to all taste preferences. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing deals, including those fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Enjoy your homemade taco feast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.